Hey guys, so today I will be telling you how to use your Wi-Fi with your power bank. So for this I'm using Corsica power bank, and the output is 5 volts from output 1. So I'm currently using output 1 only, and this is an output 1, and and this is a Wi-Fi. This is an eyeball button Wi-Fi, and yeah, this is the Wi-Fi itself, and for this you need an AC to DC adapter. This is the AC to DC adapter, and then you need a broken USB cable, and then broken USB cable, and then just simply connect to this Wi-Fi and it will start working. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. Do subscribe this channel for more tech videos. Thank you for watching.